Hello everyone, it's Josh here from Loveridge Digital. This week on Getting Into It with Loveridge Digital, we are going to cover what ADR is and why you may need it in your productions. Firstly, it's important to understand what is ADR. Well, ADR stands for Automatic Dialogue Replacement, which is more commonly known as dubbing. This technique involves the re-recording of dialogue by the actors after filming as a way to improve audio fidelity or reflect dialogue changes. Typically, this is most commonly used to translate a video to a different language without the need and cost of reshooting the video for that region. It does see some use in film, especially when shooting a scene in a very noisy environment. Over recent years, we have seen a surge of companies now dubbing and localizing their videos to the various regions they are selling in. This process has a wide variety of pros and cons, which I'll run through with you today. One of the biggest benefits of ADR is that you do not need blocky captions on screen to translate what is being said in the video. It can be very frustrating when watching a video if you misread the captions or need to pause the video as they are going too fast. It breaks the immersion and makes for quite a frustrating watching experience. Removing this frustration from the watching experience does wonders and can really make a video successful in a region that uses a different language. The major downside to ADR is that you will not look as natural no matter how hard you try. Humans are amazing at noticing subtle differences in lip movements, and a dead giveaway for ADR is when the actor's lips stop moving but the voice continues. This effect can even be subtle but does break the immersion for the viewer. A dub piece will never be as good as the original piece that was recorded on set. So should you use ADR for your videos? Well, the answer really depends on your situation. If you have the budget to shoot the video in the native tongue of the region you will be porting to, then I would recommend doing that. But if you don't, ADR is much better than nothing. Always remember, you want your viewer to have the best viewing experience possible, and ADR just might get you there. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you found it both informative and engaging. Until next time.